I have been involved with this Maths on Must Radio for quite a few weeks now on various occasions in variety of ways like that. I have spoken in Marathi, English, Hindi also for covering the audience like that. And the thing was that I have written a few things on mathematics. Basically, two books are there which are covering my writing, but they are in Marathi like that. But they have been trying to convey that mathematics is useful. It has been used and would be used in the areas which we never think of even like that. So mathematics is useful activity was one of the pillars of my talk in this program. Second was mathematics can be learned easily. If you just exert or you think it is at par with other subjects, it can be learned easily as you learn history or geography like that. Third thing I was trying to convey is that how you can have very good careers in mathematics. People feel mathematics means only job of teacher at the most that much or doing some private tuitions. No, I try to convey that it has become a mathematical science. It is covering statistics, probability, operational research, computer science, demography and many other allied branches in which there is a dearth of people. So people having good postgraduate qualification have got ample opportunity to build careers which are at par with any other discipline like that. So those who have got little inclination or people who are sitting on the fence, they should opt for mathematics and just obtain the expertise at postgraduate level. They have got enough opportunity. So mathematics has got, mathematicians have got that kind of future I wanted to convey, and I tried my best to do that. Also, we try to talk about the peripheral subject on mathematics like history of mathematics and recreational mathematics. These two subjects are never taught in any curriculum at the graduate or postgraduate level like that. So I try to convey that these subjects may not be in the main curriculum, but those who are interested in mathematics should read them, understand them, because they have been also inspirational in many of the other developments in mathematics, especially recreational mathematics. Some of the ideas are really taken formal shape at a later date, which were the only puzzles that form, but they became core idea for some mathematical development. So some of those examples we discussed like that. And puzzles and other these kind of things, recreational mathematics, very helpful in teaching mathematics. This is also another point. A teacher can start with a puzzle in the class and then develop it and show the basic concept related to mathematics. So how mathematics teaching can be more interesting, more useful, attention catching was also conveyed like that. Similarly, how mathematics should be learned, that also was told, that basic tables you must remember. You just see your all the sports you can say instruments like carom board. Carom board is one of the, you can say, instrument of telling you about the parallel lines, circle, trajectories, so many things about geometry. Also these kind of, say, even ludos, any small game can tell you so many things about the mathematics. So you just think of that and you can get clarified and real immediate application of all those concepts which you learn in the textbook. So this is how learning, teaching mathematics was also covered in many of the things like that. As for the future, we can say that this kind of series of programs can be organized periodically. So this was say 3 months, then give a gap of 1.5 months, then again 3 months like that. And in the meantime, you can obtain the feedback of the persons who have listened, and based on that, you can revise the next episode series like that. Similarly, listeners club is one of the ideas. Other thing is have a half-a-day workshop or an event where all those listeners can come and ask to the experts, to the textbook writers. They can give their suggestions, what difficulty they face, or the graphics they wanted. All many things which are not possible through radio directly, but through such events, and that can be broadcasted as special event, special broadcast on some other occasion like that. So it can be made lively, interactively in this way also. So teaching, learning and conveying that mathematics is useful, you can have career, was, I suppose, the main aim of this series, and to large extent I hope it has been achieved. It is a very powerful media, everybody agrees that, and it is going to survive. All other media may have ups and downs, but radio, because you can listen to the radio and still do your all other activities. Other thing is radio can reach out to a very large number, very remote places where TV broadcasting because of many other things not possible, towers etc. But radio and this your FM etc. can reach to a very large number. So and all those rural people, they still sit together to listen to the radio, for example, where teacher cannot be appointed. If you can broadcast elementary mathematics lessons at least to them, students can learn. It can become their supplementary. They may have only one book. They don't have access to good libraries, anybody talking mathematics. So this can really supplement them, and they can be hooked on to this kind of broadcast. They will be very eagerly waiting for this like that. So reach out and telling them substantial new information, new anecdote, new supplementary things, opportunities for future career. Nothing like radio.